I will show you the nut driver that I recently purchased. So this one is the Dynamite 5 pieces nut drivers. So with different sizes, I'll just show you. Just remove everything from the plastic bag. So the set contains this one 8mm, 7, then 5.5. So this is very handy to have the 5.5, then 5, then 4 millimeters. Okay, so 4, 5, 5.5, then 7 and 8. So really handy. By the way, these are not a magnetic tip, and also you see this one is turning. Really handy when you're holding like this, and you can turn then while pressing it. And also this is plastic material, but not really hard plastic. It's like a bit of rubber. Okay, and then with a grip in this portion. Okay, very nice, nicely made, well made. Okay, so what else? So the length, I measured the length. The shaft length is 7.5 centimeters, and the body or the handle is approximately 10 centimeters. Okay, so that's it. Really nice set to have. Okay, thank you for watching.